good, everybody. How y'all doing? I'm doing good, period. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, you know what I mean? Period. As you can see by the title, you're gonna watch me randomly install this wig at 1 a.m. in the morning. But currently, since I'm done, it's like 2 something. So yeah, get it to me. I got this wig from Elva Hair. Got off their sides. I thought it was cute, y'all. I was like, let me cop me one. Like, look at the scalp. It's giving scalp. Sis, it's giving scalp. I said I needed to give me one of these wigs because per like these. Yeah. Anyways, I'ma leave this wig description that I ordered down below. So if you want to cop the wig just like I just copped this one, stay tuned and watch this install, sis. But y'all, I actually really love this color. I was like, I need to get this color because this color is so cute. Like, look how like it's black and then it blends to like this gold brown. Like this, that's so cute. And I like how like it's not all brown, like the underneath it's like a different shade of brown, but it's really dark. But up here is like black. Like, I love them 3 colors. Anyways, I'm gonna show y'all me installing this wig. So I just finished installing this wig, y'all. I really love this. Like, I love it. I love it. Like, it's giving scalp. Anyways, So I'm gonna talk the pros and cons about this wig because there are some pros and there are some cons. So I'm gonna start with the cons first. So obviously it's curly hair. Like, you know, curly hair wigs are gonna shed, and this shedded a lot, and I actually have hair all over me, like all like, hold on, like I got hair all over me. So yeah, this hair actually sheds a lot, but I ain't mad at it because it's curly hair, so that's what you should expect from curly hair. It's gonna shed. Another con, I don't know, bro, but like low-key it was hard to like lay the lace with my glue. I use Ghost Bond glue, and like it's low-key sliding. Low-key though, but it's gonna last. Another thing I didn't like is how like I was like messing around with it when I was trying to install it, and like all I did was like touch it a few times and like rake my hands through it just a little bit though, and like it got really poofy. But like I said, it's curly hair. Curly hair ain't gonna like be perfect. It's always something about curly hair, but I like this texture though. It's cute. I ain't mad at it. All you gotta do is put some water and you still good. Like, yeah. I'm gonna talk about the pros now. So obviously, like I said, I love the texture. I like how it can get curly fast. All you gotta do is put water in. You ain't gotta put no moisturizer in it. So that's A plus right there. And I love how these edges like lay, like like these look like natural edges. Like it was very easy to lay because sometimes certain hair types are hard to lay on skin. And y'all, I use Ghost Bond, but got to be glued to lay my edges, so it shouldn't be no problems. But this was very easy to lay, and it was easy to plug. See, the hairline, sis, the hairline. I love it. I love it, and I love the length of this. Like, it's not too short, but it's not too long either, and like it's not too thin, but it's not too full. Like, it's like just right. Like, it's just right. So I love the volume. Like, you can definitely make this bigger and poofier if you wanted to. All you gotta do is like tease it, break through it and stuff, but I don't want to. I just like it the way it is right now. So this is cute. I love the color blend. I love everything about it. Like, the color is giving, the blend is giving, the baby hairs are giving, the lace, the plucking is giving. And y'all probably like, why are you still up? Go to sleep. I will, after I take a shower. Yeah, I was out today and I just got home. I was like, let me start this wig. And that's what I did. So yeah, I love it. You probably love it too. Just something to say, girl. But anyways, I'm gonna go now. So either you can glow me, glow on me. Period. I will see y'all later.